Hello, welcome to Omega Business Channel. Today, we'll explore the top marketing mistakes small businesses make and how to fix them. Mistake number 1, ignoring your audience. Not knowing your target audience leads to wasted effort. Research your customers first. Mistake number 2, poor social media strategy. Posting randomly or inconsistently hurts engagement. Plan and schedule your content. Mistake number 3, weak branding. A confused or inconsistent brand makes your business forgettable. Keep your visuals and messaging consistent. Mistake number 4, not tracking results. Without tracking metrics, you don't know what works. Use analytics to measure performance. Mistake number 5, neglecting customer relationships. Marketing is more than ads. Engage, respond, and build loyalty with your customers. Conclusion: avoid these marketing mistakes to grow smarter, faster, and stronger. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more business lessons from Omega Business Channel.
Omega Business Idea.